Hi everyone, so I'm going to show you a little bit about EquatIO. I just pulled up what it looks like on the Google image search. So EquatIO I found out about a couple years ago when I was doing some student teaching, and it's a great Chrome extension to add. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to allow it to be really easy to put in math type into a Google document, Google Slides, any other Google application. That's one of the downsides of Google is there isn't an easy way to insert functions and equations and all sorts of math type. So EquatIO does that for you. So once you download it, it's going to appear up in the top right. It's this like blue diamond shape. So you're going to click on it. And right here is kind of where I would use it. I'd be creating a test on Google Docs, and I would want my kids to solve for the following equation, and now I want to type in that equation. So what EquatIO does is there's a bunch of different things. First, it gives you the standard of math type. Math type is usually written in italicized. So when you click on this first option, it's the equation editor. You can look in the bottom right here, and there's a bunch of different options. So first you could do your exponents. It makes it super easy. Or, your subscripts. You have different functions right here. So for example, let's pull this up, and it allows you to edit it. So I would do x squared plus 5x minus 24. Functions, some more advanced settings, and your Greek letters, which are used various ways throughout math. So you can type in all of that, and you're going to hit insert. And what it does is let me close this up for you. It puts the equation in as an image. So that's super nice in that you can kind of move it around, set up the formatting the way you would want it to be set up. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. Usually I leave it the size of so it doesn't look, too pixelated. So that's one of the cool ways to do it. There's also different options of you to put in this type. So LaTeX is a coding system. I'm actually very familiar with it through Canisius College. So you can put it in the code. So the code looks a little different, and it converts it for you into the expression you want. Again, inserting math as a picture. The other really cool feature is this graphing feature. So it follows the idea of Desmos in an easy way to create graphs. So if I want students to work with a graph, I can type it in. Here are all those functions again, and you're going to insert it. Again, it's going to insert as a picture. And you can edit it. I could crop it to make it, fit the paper a little better. I wouldn't necessarily need all of this, so I can crop it down, make it smaller, and it's really cool. Different features to edit it. Now, the advanced version of this, so if you pay for the subscription, allows you to do this awesome feature with the handwriting. So handwriting would be super cool for working with touchscreen tablets or Chromebooks or iPads. So I could just, write plus, and it kind of converts all of it into this type right here. I'm not sure where this x squared is coming up. I think that's from the previous graph that we were looking at. And you can insert it from that. So that's really cool for, students who are more, with their hands as opposed to typing. The other feature is a speech input. So I could just record myself saying something. So let's test it out. And I'm just going to allow this. X squared plus 5x minus 24. And then we can stop it, and there we go. We can insert that equation again. Super easy. So that's the awesome thing with EquatIO is there's so many different ways for you to type this out. So whatever is easiest for you. Last is this phone. I'm not too sure about this feature, but it looks like it connects to different iPhone apps and might be an easy way to kind of convert from things on your phone to the Google document. Other features on the premium, not too sure again what those are. I just have the free version right now. That's really all I need, and I'm happy with it. So I hope you enjoy that. And again, now Google Docs is up to where Microsoft Word is, and that it's very easy now to type in any math functions.